pa. Ayan na. Hindi naman kwan ito. Hindi mo naman sinasabi kung paano ang post ka naman niya. Oh, sige. Oh, yan. Oh. Oh. Dalian mo pa. Late na ako. Oh, grabe naman kasi. Oh, yan. Oh, yan. Sige. Sa? Hindi pwede ito pa. Iganyan mo na. Yun na lang. Kasi yun ang hindi na kwan. Ilagay mo na doon muna. Sige na. Ang tagal naman na. Dalian nyo. Pwede. Puno ng kwan. Ilalabas daw yung isang sasakyan. At least yung sasakyan nakatago sa grahe. Yung quit lang niya ang ano. Yun si Kati. Ano ba to? Buksan mo. Tignan mo ang kwan namin. O, hagdanan namin. Hagdanan. Papunta doon. Woohoo! 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 Yun. Sa taas. Woohoo! Ay. Yun. Nilagay doon yung isang sasakyan. Kasi napuno ng snow. Yan. Puno ng snow. Yan. Tapos, yan ang mga bahay. Yan. Nilalabas ni Kati yung isang sasakyan. Yun. Nilalabas ni Kati. Hoy, makabrek! Ay, sus, Diyos ko naman. Akala mo. Op! Yan. Nilalabas ni Kati yung sasakyan. Oh, yeah. Yan. Let's go.
Nakalimutan, bunga lang yung break. 416-745-2326. Plan ahead, take your time. That word from OPP after a blast of winter has blanketed the roads, causing a slushy, slippery mess this morning. Reports of numerous cars spinning out, hitting the guardrail, causing a disturbance on the road. We're not done yet with the snow. About 5 centimeters has fallen in York Region and the GTA. Another 10 is likely this freezing rain and ice pellets. Go Transit reporting delays of up to 15 minutes. And Pearson reporting some delays and cancellations. Log on to gtaa.com for a complete list. Canada's largest air carrier coming under fire over its handling of the widespread delays and cancellations during the holidays, crippling snowstorms. A report in the Globe and Mail says Air Canada put the bill for more than 5,000 hotel rooms and meal vouchers. In a message to employees, CEO Monty Brewer said when the storm cleared, the airline couldn't recover quickly as it should have. Customers were justifiably upset. A Brampton man due in court today accused of murdering his daughter-in-law. 22-year-old Elmore Dillon was found stabbed to death at a store where she worked on New Year's Day. 47-year-old Hunter Dillon has been charged. Police still aren't too sure on a motive. A stabbing at a Mississauga high school has sent a 17-year-old to hospital. The police called a Wisconsin secondary yesterday after a student was reportedly stabbed with a pair of scissors. The suspect under arrest. The Israeli military says will briefly halt operations in Gaza during the day to allow humanitarian aid.
Wilson Subway?
The military spokesman
Bakit?
no specific time, but said it will allow about 3 hours.
Baba?
And imagine thinking you won more than $100,000 only to be told what we were going to say.
Yung fair? Di, magkano na tayo? Late ka na ba? Late ka na?
Pero mababatas ba